Hello everybody, I'm Heather Halliday. I'm a certified nutritional therapist with Essential Wellness Northwest, and I'm here to continue our conversation about It's Complicated. Today's topic is going to be all about food and nutrition, obviously a topic I'm very passionate about. I'm specifically going to talk about how food and nutrition can impact somebody with chronic illness. I'm going to use myself as an example again. So in my condition, it's a mold illness. So when I'm considering food and nutrition, I have to be very conscientious about the sourcing of my food. I know, for instance, after doing research, that grains are a highly moldy food, as well as coffee. So it only makes common sense that I'm going to avoid grains and I'm going to avoid coffee to diminish the possibilities of continued mold exposure. For somebody, for instance, with rheumatoid arthritis, it's an inflammatory condition. So the last thing we want to do is put foods into the system that are inflammatory. So we need to take a closer look at that. So definitely for somebody with rheumatoid arthritis, processed foods are out of the question because we know that processed foods are loaded full of chemicals and they're highly processed, which means they're going to be inflammatory. Somebody with diabetes, the amount of sugar that they're putting into their body, we need to consider what are their sources of sugar and minimize those as much as we can. And I can tell you the topic of sugar is broad. Just because it's a fruit and it's occurring in nature doesn't mean that that's a good idea for a diabetic. So we need to take a look at all of those things, and also understanding what your food allergies or food intolerances might be will also make a difference in your ability to recover from your chronic illness. I know this journey can be very complicated, and I just want you to know that I'm here to help you in any way I possibly can. If you'd like to connect and talk more about this, I'd be happy to. You can find me on my website at Essential Wellness NW for Northwest, or you can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Until we meet again, thank you so much and have a blessed day.